Bector Automation RML India Private Limited is a part of Dun & Bradstreet Global Database and has been assigned the DUNS number. Bector Automation RML India Private Limited (BAR) is a specialist in bringing alive top-of-the-line packaging technology solutions. It is a joint venture between Mumbai-based Bectochem Group and New Zealand-based RML Engineering Limited, a leading manufacturer of end-of-line packaging machines.
India is one of the largest and the fastest growing consumer markets. It is also a very competitive market. In that kind of a situation, it is necessary that the companies have their products packaged well. That is where we thought of an opportunity. We therefore thought that we would play in the sector of secondary packaging, where the material goes to the showrooms in an intact manner and in a presentable manner.
BAR's comprehensive manufacturing unit at Pune is fully equipped to offer best secondary and tertiary packaging solutions to Indian market. BAR's engineering capabilities extend from building case erectors, case packers, sachet collators cum packers to robotically operated pick-and-place packing machines. BAR provides end-to-end packaging solutions by offering complementary machines and conveying systems to a growing list of clients. BAR's benchmarking quality standards and quest for innovations makes the company a preferred supplier for end-of-line packing machines.
Collaboration here is between RML and the Bector Group and creation of BAR. It is to give RML a greater market. RML is based in New Zealand and pretty much has saturated New Zealand and Australia. So this gave us the opportunity to expand into India. BAR has been created to enable the RML brand of machines to be manufactured at a more cost competitive price here in India.
Bectochem's leading visionaries are committed to take its engineering expertise to new levels by taking pride in every action. As one of India's most advanced companies with a distinct edge in design and applications, BAR is committed to raising the bar of innovations, precision manufacturing, engineering and quality. BAR, partnering your packaging success story.